mina ngiyi-1 bayi-10 ngaba slice mawunempi ilethe.
King Baka, ne? That guy,
Yeah, I know that boy.
That guy.
No, kibona bo baloinyana bana. I'm going to deal with them. That's why kibatla hoye. Look, he knows King Baga. He's a small boy. Once he mentioned, and he thought I will not get out of prison. That's why he prophesied. King Baga is talking. Actually, he's not a king. He's a small boy. All right. He wants. Even Ketlelezi is better than him. All right. He's a very small boy. He doesn't. Usaphuma mafinyela lo mfana. Usadla mafinyelo King Baga. Uyazi now ayikho into ongangenza yona. Ngiphumile ejele and so on. So
hello you guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Salo. Please do not forget to subscribe, comment, like, and of course do make sure that you do share this video, guys. So Pastor Mboro is back at it again and he goes hopping into one podcast to the other. Now this time he went on to that podcast, yes, and of course he was put onto the spot after the time that he was incarcerated when he was arrested back then last year, with that whole scandal whereby he went to school to threaten teachers and school children when he was arrested back then. I'm sure you remember the whole saga. King Baga was the one who came out and spoke about Prophet Mboro when he was incarcerated. He talked a lot of bad things about Pastor Mboro, and one of it being that, a prophecy about Mboro that King Baga did, and that clearly did not sit well with Mboro. When he was asked, or told rather, he says that, I have saw that King Baga was actually talking about me, but let me tell you this, that is a small boy. I am not afraid of him. He's a very, very, very small boy, says Mboro, and he says that, you know what, I'm still gonna deal with that small boy. I haven't even touched him yet, but I am going to deal with him, and it's going to be very much painful, as he told that podcast, you guys. Now at this point, people have been taking King Baga under the comments section of this video, which has been shared on TikTok, and he hasn't responded yet. People are waiting for King Baga to respond to Mboro, saying that, you know what, I'm still gonna deal with you, but watch the space. That's what Mboro said, you guys, and Baga hasn't responded yet. Clearly, you guys, once he responds, I will be sure to upload a quick update. You guys, what do you think regarding this whole saga? Please, of course, do share your thoughts with me in the comment section, and make sure that you do subscribe if you haven't yet done so, and also make sure that you do share this video so that you do not have to miss out whenever I try to upload a new video.